Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah guys, Faizan Munawar, Varya with you. So I received so many messages and questions about the crypto coins and crypto tokens. As I said, I explained it earlier in my previous video that crypto coins and crypto tokens are two different things. You cannot merge it together, okay? So crypto coins, just for the recap, crypto coins are which runs on its own blockchain network, and crypto tokens, they don't have their own blockchain network. They use some other blockchain stable network, such as Ethereum or Binance network, Binance blockchain network. So the question which was raising, there were so many people who were asking me in my previous video that what is exact the difference, meaning if it is a crypto token and if it is a crypto coin. So what's the difference? Why people are creating the crypto tokens instead of creating crypto coins? So the major difference is it's all about the blockchain. So the blockchain, it is a critical technology. It works on the packets. It requires a lot of work, and it requires a lot of energy. It requires a lot of work hours, right? And it requires what? It requires the expertise in the blockchain technology. So what people usually do, they just create a token, and the token is good as the coin. So both are the same, both serve the same purpose, right? Meaning both are the digital currencies, and both can be sold, can be bought, can be registered, and it's just a technical term, both of them, that one is cryptocurrency and another one is crypto. Both are the cryptocurrency. One is crypto token and another one is crypto coin. Have a very blessed day ahead. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.